Hello and welcome to my channel The Craft Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cork earring. I have used one cork and cut that horizontally into half. Then I've used these strips of paper from the book Little Woman. No, I haven't cut the pages of the book, of course not. But I've taken a printout of any page, any random page. I've taken a color printout to get that old yellowish tinge like the old book. That is what I wanted. So I've taken a color printout of the black and white page, and then I have cut out paragraphs and thin strips to cover my cork, and then you simply glue on it. Now add a layer of Mod Podge on the strip of paper so that the prints on it get secured, and also it will give a beautiful shine on the earrings. I've already inserted a hole with the help of a needle vertically in the cork. Now with the help of an eye pin, I will put a wooden bead and a spacer on top of the cork and a silver bell below. Now simply attach the ear hook to the eye pin and your earring is done. If you do like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.